Hello everyone, welcome to our health and wellness channel. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that many people search for, detox juices. We will present the 10 most popular types of detox juices and their benefits for the human body. If you want to improve your health and lose weight in a healthy way, keep watching this video. Before we start talking about detox juices, it's important to understand what they are. Detox juices are beverages that contain ingredients that help the body get rid of accumulated toxins and increase nutrient intake. They are an easy and delicious way to improve overall body health. The first detox juice we're going to introduce is the green juice. It's made with ingredients such as kale, spinach, cucumber, lemon, and apple. This juice is rich in nutrients such as vitamins A, C, K, and B6, as well as an excellent source of antioxidants. It helps improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Another popular detox juice is the beetroot juice. This juice is rich in iron, vitamin C, and folic acid. In addition, beets contain nitrates, which help improve blood circulation and reduce blood pressure. Beet juice also helps increase physical endurance and improve exercise performance. The third detox juice we're going to present is the pineapple and ginger juice. This juice is known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion, while ginger helps reduce inflammation in the body. In addition, pineapple and ginger juice is an excellent option to help relieve joint pain and inflammation. Lemon and coconut water juice is another healthy and refreshing option. This juice is rich in electrolytes, such as potassium and sodium, which help rehydrate the body and maintain electrolyte balance. In addition, lemon and coconut water juice helps improve digestion, increase energy, and reduce inflammation in the body. Carrot and orange juice is another delicious and nutritious option. This juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system, and beta-carotene, which is important for eye and skin health. In addition, carrot and orange juice helps reduce the risk of heart disease and improve skin health. The sixth detox juice is watermelon juice. This juice is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect the body against cancer and other diseases. Watermelon juice also helps hydrate the body and improve cardiovascular health. And now that we have presented 6 amazing detox juice types, we want to know which one is your favorite. Leave a comment below and share your favorite recipes. If you like this video and want to receive more content on health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications so you don't miss any videos. And don't forget to leave your like to help us reach more people. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.